news, two more, because the Bekwai Magistrate Court on Thursday expressed reservation of the appearance of 3 minors before an open court. The 3 juveniles are accused of murdering Richard Appiah, a final year student of the Opon Memorial Senior High School at Kokofo in the Ashanti region. Presiding Magistrate, His Worship Joseph Akwaku, queried police prosecution for what he says is breach of court procedures. A prosecution led by Detective Chief Inspector Anthony J. explained the decision was to seek direction from the court. They subsequently moved the hearing to the chamber to protect the rights. And there's more in the following report. My colleague Ohiming Teria, who's been following this for us, joins us live via Zoom. Ohiming, tell us more. Run us through what happened in court today.
Thank you, Aisha. I must say it was a packed court in which relatives of the 3 accused persons and the deceased, Richard Appiah, and some teachers of the Opon Memorial Senior High School were in court to witness a proceedings. So when the case was called, all these were the accused persons were being held in a police vehicle and under the security and guidance of 2 officers asked and then detailed to man the doors of the vehicle to ensure they remain intact in the vehicle. So when the proceedings started, the presiding judge raised concerns with the fact that the 3 accused persons were juveniles who are aged between 15 and 17. So the presiding judge, His Worship Joseph Akwaku, said he expects police to not have brought the 3 accused persons into the open court, but rather bring them to the family tribunal where they'll be tried and not in the open court. So he called for the case to be heard in the chambers. And when the case was called in the chambers, that is when prosecutor, Chief Chief Inspector J led prosecution and then give details of how the accused persons connived to kill the deceased, who is a final year visual arts student of Opon Memorial Senior High School, on 4th September 2021 at about 9:30 p.m. He told the court that the deceased, in the company of 4 others, had sneaked out of campus without permission. So whilst in the community, then they met the accused persons, about 6 of them, just that 3 of them have been arrested and 3 of them are still at large. So when the students realized that the youth in the community, the accused persons and their group outnumbered them, they called some of the students from campus to come and join so that the fight that ensued between these 2 groups could be settled. So the students later joined. In the process, the second accused person, whom we are told is a 15-year-old junior high school student of Junior High School 2, of the Kokofu MA Junior High School, then broke bottle and stabbed the deceased. He was pronounced dead on arrival at the Ahmadiyya Mission Hospital at Kokofu. So prosecution sought some relief from the court. The prosecution prayed the court to remand the accused persons into police custody to enable police investigate the matter thoroughly, and also called for bench warrant for the arrest of 3 others who are at large. And then the court granted all these 2 reliefs, just that the court made a pronouncement that the accused persons should be kept in juvenile cells, of which police responded that they have a juvenile cell at the Egna police station. So they will reappear on September 17, 2021, after they have been remanded into police custody. Meanwhile, the court also issued bench warrant for the arrest of the 3 accused persons who have absconded in this particular case.
Ohimenteria is our correspondent and he's with the security desk. We are on this and we'll bring you more in our subsequent bulletins.